Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if your JBL Xtreme 2 is not turning on and how you can fix this issue. So the one thing that you can do that is going to solve this is that when you can turn it on, try to hold the play button, the volume up button, and the volume down button at the same time. So you're gonna hold the play button, the plus button, and the minus button at the same time and hold it for like 15 to 20 seconds, and maybe it's going to solve the issue. Or something what you can do is to put your JBL on adapter during the whole night. So just put it during the whole night on the adapter. This is something that you can try, or just try not to use it for a while. Maybe it's going to fix it by itself in some miracle reason. So these are the things that you can try, and let me down below in the comments if something works for you, so we can help each other out. So we're gonna, when it's turned off, you're gonna press play button, plus button, and minus button at the same time. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you have a great day, and goodbye.